How to find hidden locked chats on WhatsApp. This tutorial shows you how to access your locked and hidden chats on your Android device. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Your locked chats won't be visible in your main chat list as they're stored in a separate hidden folder. From the main chat screen, slowly drag your finger down from the top of the chat list, and a hidden folder labeled Locked Chats will appear. Tap on it, and WhatsApp will ask you to verify your identity using your fingerprint or PIN before granting access. Once verified, you'll be able to see all the chats you've locked and hidden from your main inbox heap in your inbox. Keep in mind, locked chats won't show message previews or sender names in your notifications, so no one can stumble across them from your lock screen either. They're fully separated from the rest of your chats until you unlock them. And that's it. If this guide helped you find your locked chats on WhatsApp, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.